Welcome to YouTube channel Beat English A Journey from Land to Sky. Describe a member of your family who you spend the most time with. You should say who it is, when you are usually together, what you do together, and explain why you spend the most time with this member of your family.
Well,
I am going to tell you about a member of my family with whom I spend the most time. As you know that spending time with our family helps us to relax and feel connected. Now let me tell you about the person I spend the most time with is my sister. Her name is Sarah, and she is 2 years younger than me. We are very close, and we usually spend time together every day, especially in the evenings after school and work. We are usually together in the living room or in the kitchen when we help prepare dinner. During the weekends, we like to hang out more and go for walks or watch movies at home. Sometimes we go shopping or meet up with friends, but most of the time we are just relaxing together. One of the main things we do is talk about our day. She shares stories from her classes, and I tell her about my work or studies. We also like playing board games or trying new recipes together. The reason I spend the most time with her is that we have a lot in common. We enjoy similar activities and always have something to talk about. Besides, spending time with Sarah makes me feel relaxed and happy. She's always supportive, and we have a good bond that makes our time together enjoyable. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel.
Beat English.